Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, braking assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, headlights auto off, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.